Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning in, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Wachiko Blessing, and this channel is where we inspire young minds, break limiting beliefs, and overcome life challenges. In today's video, I'll be talking about 7 and 1 reason why people are unproductive. Have you ever been in a situation where you feel stuck and unproductive? Or have you ever been in a situation where you are overly busy but yet not productive? In today's video, I'll be sharing the reason why people are not productive, or the reason why people are overly busy but not productive. If this topic sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and keep watching. Number 1 reason you are becoming unproductive is because life is becoming overwhelming for you. Maybe you are doing several complicated things at the same time, and this can make one to be unproductive because it shows that you are still confused about what you want. Number 2 reason you are becoming unproductive is because you keep stating things and not acting it. You keep stating your vision, you are not acting it. A lot of people are like this. They keep saying things that they want to happen in their life, but they don't act it. They don't do it. Another reason you are becoming unproductive is because at times a lot of people feel unworthy of great opportunity. You feel you are not deserving of the top, or you feel you're not qualified for good or great opportunities. This can make you unproductive. Number 4 reason is wrong association or wrong company. This can make you unproductive when you are surrounded with people that don't inspire you to become the best version of you. You can become unproductive. Number 5 is allowing your past to weigh you down. This is very important. There are some people that don't even know how to get rid of their past. When you allow your past to weigh you down from moving forward, it can hinder your productivity level. It can make you unproductive. Another reason why you are becoming unproductive is you are probably lazy. I don't know why I'm smiling or laughing over this particular point. A lot of people are lazy. That is the reason why they are not productive. Some people are just simply lazy, and this can affect your productivity level. Another point is when you allow the things that are happening to you to slow you down. Maybe life challenges, what you are going through, you allow them to weigh you down. You keep on dwelling in the things that are not working fine in your life. Maybe things are not working really the way you want it. You now focus your attention on everything in that particular aspect of your life that is not working. This can slow your productivity level. This alone can hinder you from becoming productive. The last but not the least, this particular point is the most important of all the points I've mentioned so far. Maybe you've removed God out of the equation of your life. This could be the reason you are becoming unproductive. In a situation, there are some people, because of the trend in our society, they don't know, maybe unconsciously to them, they remove God from the picture of their life. They remove God from the equation of their life journey. This can make you unproductive. When God is not involved in your life journey, productivity level will reduce or it will go down. Now we have seen the reason why you are becoming unproductive. What is the way out? What is the way out? So number 1, you have to get connected to people who will always ginger you or will inspire you to become productive. Secondly, you have to make a decision to be productive. And not only making decision, you have to be very much intentional about that decision. A lot of people make decisions and they are not intentional about the decision. So making a decision is not enough. You have to go extra mile by being intentional about the decision you've made. Thirdly, you have to disconnect from every negative association that makes you lazy and unproductive. You have to intentionally disconnect yourself from them. The last but not the least, of course, prayer. The place of prayer and the place of God cannot be overemphasized. You need to pray for strength. You need to pray that God will strengthen you to be productive. When God is fully involved in your journey, it will be easier. It will be very much easier for you because He is there to strengthen you. He is there to give you ideas that will push you to another level. So the place of prayer is very important. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this very point. If you are really blessed by this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section of this video, and please share this video to your friends, to your family members. And if you haven't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell to always get notified anytime I drop new video. And I assure you that you never regret ever subscribing to this YouTube channel. I still remain myself, Nwachukwu Blessing, and I hope to talk to you soon in my next video.